Hi guys, let us discuss one MCQ which was appeared in 2024. The question is 1 gram of sodium hydroxide was treated with 25 ml of 0.75 molar HCl solution. The mass of sodium hydroxide left unreacted is equal to option 1 200 mg, option 2 750 mg, option 3 250 mg and option 4 0 mg. Now this question related to chapter principle related to practical chemistry from this chapter, and the partial syllabus I have shown here which was in the NEET syllabus. And now we will go for the real solution of this problem. The NOH molar mass is 23 from sodium, oxygen so 16 and H1 so 40. Molarity of NOH which have 1 gram, that means 1 divided by 40, 0.025 molar. Now use the general formula for acid-base titration. M1V1 equal to M2V2. M is the molarity and V is the volume. 0.025 multiply V1 equal to 0.75 multiply the volume 25 ml equal to 18.75. So V1 equal to 750 ml from this calculation. That means that 750 ml NOH solution was used to neutralize this much amount. So now we have 1 gram in, that means 1 gram equal to 1000 mg was in 1000 ml, that is the molarity, and molarity of this. So if 750 ml is used to neutralize HCl, unreacted amount will be the 250 ml solution. That means the 250 mg, as 1000 ml contains 1000 mg, so 750 must contain 750 mg. So unreacted amount is 250 ml, means 250 mg. So the correct option is 250 mg, option 3. So thank you guys.